Sophia, did you give Sienna a kiss? Did you give your baby sister a kiss good morning?
Kiss her.
Kiss your head? Okay. Oh, very nice. What a nice, gentle big sister. Do you have socks on your hands?
Yes.
Yes. Socks on hands. There's your hands. There they are.
Uh-oh. Yes, that's so. Uh-oh. Oh, please. Uh-oh.
Does baby sister want socks on her hands?
No.
No.
My sock.
Oh, those are Sophie's socks.
Uh-huh.